An international charity is asking for your old ski goggles to help healthcare workers with their shortage of personal protective equipment. KPAX's Marin Sue tells us how we can get involved.
If you have an old pair of ski goggles lying around your house, there's a way that these could actually help doctors and nurses on the front lines of the coronavirus.
At this time, personal protective equipment, which is what doctors and nurses and medical professionals use to protect themselves, is very, very scarce. And so ski goggles and skate goggles have become an effective way for doctors and nurses to protect themselves.
Anna Atwell is the regional coordinator for Goggles for Docs in Montana, an international charity collecting goggles for healthcare workers to wear on the front lines during the coronavirus outbreak. She says while medical-grade protective wear is the best, goggles are a great alternative with the shortage of personal protective equipment.
It's a good substitute for this time in crisis. So it's definitely not the same, but it is an effective kind of substitute.
Atwell says ski resorts around the state have been excited to be a part of this charity. Nick Palumbus, director of marketing and sales with Whitefish Mountain Resort, says the resort donated a brand new box of goggles to this effort.
It's a good feeling to know that we've got this. Strangely, this industry has these resources that can be of use to the healthcare professionals. So of course we want to help and do this, and it is unique.
Atwell says no hospitals in Montana have requested goggles yet. She's excited the state has collected over 150 goggles for when the goggles are needed.
It's not just the goggle going to the particular medical professional, and it's not just them that you're protecting, it's their families, it's their friends, it's anyone else they come into contact with.
Atwell says goggles in any condition can be donated. If you can sterilize them before you drop them off, that's the best. Otherwise, they will be sterilized once they get to the hospital. In Whitefish, Marin Sue, MTN News.
Atwell tells us there are 13 goggle drop-off locations statewide. If you're interested in this, we have information on our webpage.